Pick up the phone, ain't you alone. All I ever asked was you, show me some love.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Y'all see I'm by myself, which means I'm doing a video today by myself, and it's gonna be a basic makeup tutorial. It's gonna be like hella basic, y'all, because like I really don't know how to do like actual makeup, but I just know how to do like regular like foundation and all that, right? Regular makeup, like basic natural looking makeup. So let's get into the video. Okay, 'cause I know that. Okay guys, so I'm all done with my makeup tutorial. Basic, I know I was struggling a bit because I be forgetting my steps on how to do it, but it always turned out nice at the end. So I had to do my edges up, do something. Next time I might just give y'all an edge tutorial. I don't know, something quick that I can show you how to do my edges, because I just had to like do something to make it look good. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Y'all got us to almost 600 subs, and like, y'all don't understand how happy I am that we really getting there. Like, it's really warming my heart, y'all. Like, for real, this is a dream that I always wanted to do, something that I'm not going to stop doing until we get there, and y'all coming with us, period. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on, hit that bell on the side so y'all know every time a video drop to be the first ones. Make sure y'all comment new video ideas y'all want us to do and all that extra good stuff, fun stuff. And yes, thank y'all, Raae gang, and I will be back with another video. Mwah.